Hey there, here you are in section 3. Good news for section 3 is very similar to section 2, so hopefully it looks familiar to you. Section 3 means you have done your second round of assessments and rubrics. You've completed all of those and you are ready to dive into the rubrics and the data and do a little bit of reflection. So just like the other sections, under the heading, you'll see the link for a set of written instructions and this video tutorial. Use those as you need to. Your first section here is assessment results. This is where you will paste all of the results summary tables from your Excel file. So you'll get all of those from your rubric and paste them here. Remember, if you need to paste more than one, that's no problem at all. Just hit enter and then you'll be able to paste them. You can right click and hit paste, or you can use the ribbon at the top, just like a normal Word document. Once you've pasted those in, then you're going to use that information to fill out this table. So you will dive into the course data and kind of separate it out here into one area for us to look at. I promise you that this table is not to see how great you are at data entry. It is really so that we can kind of get this all in one place and make it make sense to us, right? So you're going to go through, you're going to fill out your course, your section, and then you're going to choose from the drop down the correct campus location, modality, and weeks. Those drop downs, remember, if they have an other and you choose other, you do have the freedom to type what that other is. So feel free to do that. So complete this section with the number of students and those that were competent as you need to. If you need more rows, if there's not enough here for all of the classes that you assessed, then once you come to the bottom of that table, remember you can come to the right and click that plus sign and it will add another row for you. Add as many as you need in order to include all of the courses that were assessed this round. So once you have that, the next step is really to look at our consolidated program data. And the charts and the tables that Power BI gives us on that dashboard is powerful. And this is where we will use those. So you will paste screenshots from Power BI here that shows all of your consolidated program data. From that data, actually, let me just go back here. You'll click in this text box, and just like when you were pasting the tables in Excel, you'll paste the screenshots here, okay? Once you've pasted those screenshots, you'll be able to get the rest of this information. You'll be able to see the total number of students assessed and the total percent of those students that were competent or above. This next table is all information that you can get from Power BI as well. This is where we're kind of breaking this down, this program data down, and looking at it from different angles. So we have a few options here. We have 16-week, 8-week, other. So if there's other weeks, face-to-face, hybrid, online, high school, the DAC campus, and then there's another section here for other. So if you have a specific, angle that you want to look at, a specific section or something like that, you can put that here. So this is where you'll look at the number of students and the percent that were competent in all of those different areas, and it really just gives you an overview and different areas to review. Once you have gone through all that data, you should know it really well by now, right? You're going to do a little bit of your reflection. So this first question is the results summary. So this is where you're really going to focus on the numerical data from above and tell us what you observe, what patterns, what trends do you see based on this course modality, section, location, course levels, such as first semester courses and second semester courses for sequential courses, maybe first semester and last semester courses. What do you see from those different areas? And that is really going to be numerical in nature, that answer. And then this answer below it, the discussion and reflection, is really where you're going to dive in and explain the significance of that information. What does this say about that program outcome that you wanted to investigate? What does this say about those courses that you want to investigate? What does this say about that initial question on our assessment plan of what do we hope to learn? So kind of think through all of that and really dive into what this is telling us. Okay, after that, we have another spot for program support because we realized it was on section 2, but we also realized that the need for support can change. So indicate again here any additional institutional support that your program may need. Put that in that section there. And then just like all the others, you have a notes section that is for you to put any information that doesn't fit nicely in the boxes above, any information that you want to remember moving forward, or whatever else. We will follow up as your assessment champions, and the deans will look through this and give their input as well. And if you have any questions filling out section 3, please reach out to your assessment champion and we will be happy to help you.